What's going on, YouTube people? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. It is post-Christmas. We hope everybody had a great Christmas. Hopefully Santa brought lots of race car parts for everybody. We're back here working on the car again today. Check this out, Jamie. Show them our new dash. I think Rick got bored on Boxing Day. We got ourselves a fancy new dash in the race car. The tin kit in the car is done. So today's job, we're gonna get it all cleat-coated together and then rivet it all together. We got a little bit of paint to do on our fixed up bumper bars back there. We got the fuel cell back in it. Gonna finish all the wiring under the new dash. Maybe get our airbox fit. And I think after that, we're probably about ready to start hanging some body on this thing. So we're getting there. Oh, obviously I gotta sit somewhere. I gotta go later today to pick up our new seat for the race car. We got ourselves something nice, so we gotta pick that up. Other one's still for sale if anybody wants a good Kirky seat. And yeah, so let's dive into it and let's get going to work here. Yeah, that was funny even. Alright, here, we're going to put some rivets in. We're ready to go. Always leave your clear plastic on until you're ready to go racing so you don't scratch it. Always measure your cleats equal distance. Hey, Ryan.
Want to get on his vlog?
Where'd he go? Well, there he is. Who's your favorite race car driver? Oh, he's being camera shy now. Who's your favorite driver? Andrew Ranger? What about someone that has the same name as you?
Somebody's watching on TV.
What about, yeah, who's this? What about that?
You.
Ah, there we go. So Rick's rewiring the car. Most of all the gauges and everything. Because with a new dash. Oh wait, hold on. This is a good moment here. So, I can't remember who it was. Someone commented on one of our blogs a while back. And that's why we were doing the dash like that. It makes it hard to get into the wires and stuff. Well, here we go.
Yep, just a simple take the plate off.
Take the plate off.
Remove the lid.
See, what we're doing here now is covering the color that a race car chassis should be with red. Oh, I wish we would have just powder coated this whole car.
Wouldn't have to be doing this.
Nope. But like we said, the final deciding factor was powder coating the chassis didn't make it any faster. So we stick with red. Maybe one day, instead of buying second-hand cars, we'll build our own car. Or buy a new car. I'm not building a car. Buy a new car. Nothing smelled fiberglass afternoon.
easy to take it out. Okay.
Germany's beating Sweden. Alright, that is it for another day. Usually night, but another day here in the shop. Lots being done. The wiring in the car is now done. We ended up basically stripping out all the wiring, completely redoing it, just much cleaner, and you know, it's not necessarily a bad idea to check that stuff over the winter. So it's got all fresh wiring in the car. We got this tin, it's all riveted in. We'll leave our wrapping on it until we're ready to go racing. It'll be like a Christmas present, just unwrap it. But it's all riveted in, it looks beautiful. Got the fuel cell back in it. What else did we do today?
The tin was a lot of
That
work.
tin was a lot of work. We got the rear bumper bars, all that new stuff's painted. Redneck powder coated it. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go from here. I'm gonna go pick up our new seat. And then we gotta do some brake lines and a few other little things like that. And then we're pretty much ready to put a body on it. You excited to put a body on the car, Rick?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it for today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. We're on the road to 1,000. We appreciate everybody's support. And go check out our TikTok. We're always posting stupid stuff on there. Check out jdmotorsports.ca for everything. And now that it is almost the new year, I hope we can release our 2023 paint scheme soon. I'm pretty happy with it. Rick, you've seen it. You like it?
Yeah.
I think she'll look pretty sharp.
Yeah.
We're going back in black. What do you think? Black race car, white car? Let me know in the comments below. What's better? See you guys next time.